Hello friends, welcome to Study Competitive. As the name of the title suggests, today we are going to discuss about the answer key of UPSC EPFO that was conducted on 5th of September 2021. So starting with part A, question number A, we have to choose the antonym of the underlined words. Okay. Question number 1. She always organizes lavish parties on birthdays. The answer will be option number A, that is frugal. The soldier was greatly praised for his valor. The answer will be option number B, that is cowardice. Question number 3. These regions are very fertile. The answer will be option number C, that is barren. Question number 4. Some Sikh immigrants were detained at the airport. The answer is option number B, that is natives. Question number 5. The questions were so elementary that anyone could pass the test. The answer is option number D, that is advanced. Question number 6. We have to fill in the blanks. It's time you went out and earned your own living. So answer is option number B. Question number 7. The elephant fell into a trap the hunters had set. Answer is option number B. The dress is not really tight. It will stretch when you will wear it. The answer is option number D. With his back to the old man, he stood at the window, face clenched, and his soldiers shook with his choked serving. So answer is option number B. The brave mother proudly received the Gallantry Award on behalf of her brave son who had laid down his life in the recent wars. The answer is option number C, on behalf of. Coming to question number 11, Sputtingerus. Neither the servants nor the clerk has done this. The answer will be option number D. That is no error in this sentence. Question number 12. The car which went past us when we were driving on the highway must have been doing at least 100 miles an hour. The answer to this question is option number D. Here also no error. Question number 13. Raju will be back home in an year after his stay abroad. The answer will be option number B, that is in an year. It's not in an year, it's in a year. Okay. Question number 14. I have much work to do. The answer will be option number D, that is no error. Question number 15. Psychology did not develop into a science based on careful observation and experimentation until the late 18th century. The answer will be option number D, that is no error. Coming to question number 16, we have to mark the synonyms of the underlined words. The question is, today the newspaper is full of carnage and violence. The answer is option number A, that is bloodshed. 17. This religious gift that makes men human is still alive in Indian souls. The answer is option number B, that is spiritual. Question number 18. It is difficult for us to imagine how much this safety means to everyone. The answer is option number B, that is understand. Question number 19. Public service is not merely something that occupies the hours you are doing it, but invades all your life and experience and affects them in one way or the other. The answer is option number C, that is covers. Question number 20. He was in the early part of the 20th century a staunch nationalist of the liberal fold. The answer is option number D, that is tolerant. Coming to question number 21, part B. Which one of the following is the average of all prime numbers between 21 and 55? The answer is option number C. 38. Question number 22. If the ratio of speeds of A and B is 5:6 and B allows A a start of 70 meters in a 1.2 kilometer race, who will win the race and by what distance? Okay, the answer will be option number C. B wins by 130 meter. Question number 23. M is 60 years old, R is 5 years junior to M and 4 years senior to V. The youngest brother of V is B and he is 6 years junior to V. What is the age difference between M and B? The answer will be option number B, that is 15 years. Coming to question number 24. The English alphabet is reordered in the following manner. The first 6 letters are written in opposite order, the next 6 letters are written in opposite order, and so on. At the end, Y is interchanged with Z. Which one of the following is the fourth letter to the right of the 13th letter? The answer will be option number A, that is N. Coming to question number 25. If A varies as B, then which of the following statement is or are correct? There are two sentences given. The answer to this question will be option number C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 26. Which one of the following statements about trial balance is correct? The answer will be option number D. Okay. Question number 27. Wages paid for installation of machinery is debited to which of the following accounts? The answer will be option number B, that is machinery account. Question number 28. When are current liabilities payable? The answer will be option number A, that is within a year. Question number 29. Is the total of debit and credit side of trial balance the same? The answer will be option number C. Yes, always. Question number 30. Which one of the following is the first book in which the transactions of a business unit are recorded? The answer is option number D, that is journal. Question number 31. Who among the following did not represent the militant nationalist school of thought in India? The answer is option number C, that is Krishna Kumar Mitra. Question number 32. Which one of the following statement about the situation in the Rayatwari system is correct? The answer will be option number B, that is landless laborers became the landowners. Okay. That time peasants were given lands and the Britishers were collecting taxes directly from the peasants. Okay. Question number 33. In the year 1911, who among the following formed the Social Service League in Bombay? The answer is option number C, that is N.M. Joshi. Question number 34. Who among the following was not part of the group of no changes in the Congress party? The answer is option number D, that is Motilal Nehru. Question number 35. Who among the following was not a member of the cabinet mission? The answer is option number D, that is Lord Wavell. Who among the following is the first player in the history of Test cricket to take 200 wickets against left-handed batsmen? The answer is option number D, that is Ravichandran Ashwin. Question number 37. Who among the following speakers of Lok Sabha formally dissociated from the political party after his election as the speaker? The answer is option number C, that is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question number 38. UNESCO has been observing February 21 as the International Mother Language Day since 2000. The idea to celebrate the International Mother Language Day was the initiative of which of the following nations? The answer is option number B, that is Bangladesh. Question number 39. Dr. Naji Okonjo Iweala was recently selected as the first women Director General of World Trade Organization. She hails from which of the following countries? The answer is option number C, that is Nigeria. I'm so sorry friends for my pronunciation. Question number 40. The Kaladan Multi-Modal Transit Transport Project will connect India with which of the following countries? The answer will be option number B, that is Myanmar. 41. How many times does the digit 3 appears between 1 and 100 such that the numbers where 3 appears is not divisible by 3? The answer will be option number B, that is 12. Question number 42. The answer will be option number D, that is 7. Question number 43. Which one of the following is the arithmetic mean of root 3 minus root 2 and its reciprocal? The answer will be option number A, that is root 3. Question number 44. Here the answer will be option number A, that is 20. 45. The answer will be option number C, that is both 1 and 2 are answers. Okay. 46. What is the equivalent decimal value of binary number 101110? The answer will be option number A, that is 46. Okay. Question number 46 and the answer is also 46. 47. Here the answer will be option number C, that is switching. 48. Which one of the following memories is extremely fast and acts as a high-speed buffer between the CPU and the main memory? Here the answer is option number C, that is flash memory. Question number 49. Which of the following is not a web browser? The answer is option number C, that is Fedora. 50. Which one of the following represents 1 GB of information? The answer is option number B, that is 1024 MB. 51. Where did Gandhiji put in his first major public appearance after returning from South Africa in 1915? The answer is option number C, that is Champaran. Who among the following is the author of Gandhi as Mahatma? The answer is option number B, that is Sahid Amin. 53. Who among the following was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of independence of India? The answer is option number D, that is J.B. Kripalani. 54. During 1931, under whose leadership did a strong Kisan Sabha movement develop in the Gaya district of Bihar? The answer is option number B, that is Shahjahan. 55. Who produced the Pirpur Report 1938? The answer is option number A, that is Muslim League. Which one of the following facts pertaining to the National Green Tribunal is not correct? The answer is option number C. Okay. Question number 57. Which one of the following is the mandate of the Committee on Estimates? The answer is option number A. Coming to question number 58. According to the Economic Survey 2020 and 21, which one of the following will be India's real GDP growth in the year 2021-22? The answer will be option number B, that is 11%. 59. Which one of the following is the acronym for the word NITI in NITI Aayog? The answer is option number B. Okay, that is National Institution for Transforming India. Question number 60. Which one of the following is not a correct description of the Namami Gange project program? The answer is option number B. 61. What is the maximum amount of gratuity payable to the employees under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972? The answer is option number D. Okay. 62. What is the maximum number of hours in a week that an adult worker is allowed to work for? The answer is option number D, that is 48 hours. 63. The answer will be option number D, that is 5 years. Coming to question number 64. Under Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, what is the maximum amount that can be deposited during a financial year? The answer is option number A, that is 1.5 lakh. Coming to question number 65. What is the minimum and maximum age at which a subscriber can join the Atal Pension Yojana? The answer is option number B, that is 18 years and 14 years respectively. 66. Which one of the following denotes gross profit? The answer will be option number B. Okay. 67. What is the underlying accounting concept that supports no anticipation of profits but provision for all possible losses? The answer will be option number D. 68. Here the answer will be option number B. 69. Which one of the following concerns prepares receipts and payments account? The answer will be option number B, that is non-trading concerns. Question number 70. Which one of the following statement is correct about the income and expenditure account? The answer is option number C. Okay, it is a nominal account. 71. Who among the following is the author of the book The Little Book of Encouragement? The answer is option number A, that is Dalai Lama. Okay. 72. Which day has been declared by the government of India to be celebrated every year as Parakram Divas? The answer is option number A, that is 23rd January. 73. The answer is option number D. Okay, Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. Question number 74. Here the answer will be option number C, that is 4th. 75. Naomi Osaka won the women's single title of the Australian Open Tennis Tournament 2021. Who among the following was defeated by her in the finals? The answer is option number B, Jennifer Brady. 76. The answer will be option number D, that is 4 years. 77. Here the answer will be option number B, 27:8. 78. The answer will be option number A, 33.33%. 79. Here the answer will be option number C, that is 20. Question number 80. Here the answer will be option number C, that is 2 centimeter. Coming to question number 81. Here the answer is option number A. Coming to question number 82. Who is an adolescent as per the Factories Act 1948? The answer to this question is option number A. Okay, who has completed 15 years of age but is less than 18 years. Question number 83. What is a controlled industry? The answer is option number A. What is the minimum number of members required for registration of a trade union? The answer is option number C, that is 2 members are required. Okay. Question number 85. Here the answer will be option number C, that is 1, 2 and 3. Question number 86. Which one of the following is not a language translator? The answer will be option number B, that is linker. 87. Which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, here the answer will be option number C. Okay, that translates user inputs into output device. Question number 88. Which one of the following registers is used to keep track of the next instruction to be executed? The answer will be option number C, that is program counter. Question number 89. Here the answer is option number C, that is SWF. Okay. Question number 90. Which one of the following denotes a sequential electronic circuit that is used to store 1 bit of information? Here the answer will be option number C, that is flip-flop. Question number 91. Which one of the following does Nirguna Bhakti refer to? Here the answer is option number D. Okay, abstract form of God worship. Question number 92. Here the answer will be option number C. Question number 93. Gandhi's Gandhiji's salt march to Dandi was started from which one of the following places? The answer will be option number B. 94. Who among the following was not a member of the socialist group in the Congress party? The answer is option number B, that is Rajendra Prasad. Question number 95. Here the answer will be option number B. Question number 96. Here the answer is option number B, that is Meghalaya. Question number 97. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Here the answer is option number D, 1 and 2 only. Question number 98. Which one of the following is not an objective under Pradhan Mantri Krisi Sinchai Yojana? The answer is option number A. Okay. Question number 99. In which one of the following places was Asia's first export processing zone set up in 1965? The answer is option number B, that is Kandla. Question number 100. Which one of the following is the name of the scheme introduced as a well-targeted system of service delivery to LPG customers? The answer is option number B, that is Pahal. Okay, so with this, okay, we have more questions. Question number 101. Which one of the following is not a female reproductive organ in human? The answer is option number D, that is stamen. Question number 102. Which one of the following cannot be called amphibian of the plant kingdom? The answer is option number A, that is Pyrogyra. Question number 103. Which one of the following is not a consequence of deforestation? The answer will be option number A, that is increased groundwater table. Question number 104. Which one of the following chromosomes has a mismatched pair in a normal human male? The answer is option number C, that is X chromosome. Question number 105. The word vaccine has been derived from a Latin word having meaning. Question number C, that is cow. 106. Which one of the following statement is true with regard to the image formation by two eyes of a person? Here the answer is option number D. Question number 107. Which one of the following statement is correct? Here the answer is option number A, that is infrared waves and radio waves. Question number 108. Which one of the following is the size of hydrogen atom? The answer is option number A, that is 10 to the power minus 10 m. 109. Here the answer will be option number D. Okay, a negative force implies attractive nature. 10110. Here the answer will be option number B, that is polarization. Question number 111. Which one of the following substances when added to water will not change the pH? Here the answer is option number D. Okay, NaCl. Question number 112. Which one of the following on adding to water will not scatter a beam of light? Here the answer will be option number A, that is copper sulfate. Which one of the following will not be reduced by metallic zinc? Here the answer will be option number D. Coming to question number 114. Who among the following discovered proton? Here the answer is option number C, that is E. Rutherford. Question number 115. How many moles of methyl alcohol can be obtained by reacting 2.0 mole of carbon monoxide with 2.0 mole of hydrogen? Here the answer will be option number D. Okay, that is 4. Coming to question number 116. Which one of the following pairs of zonal railways and their headquarters is not correctly matched? The answer is option number A, that is Central Nagpur. The Central Railway headquarters is in where? Mumbai. Question number 117. Here the answer will be option number D, that is Bangladesh. Okay. Question number 118. Which one of the following doesn't figure in the list of language in the 8th schedule of Constitution of India? The answer will option number B, that is Bhoti. Question number 119. As a routine exercise, operations Garam Hawa and Sard Hawa are conducted by. The answer is option number A, that is BSF. Question number 120. Who among the following was the founder of Swatantra Party? Here the answer is option number A, that is Sri C. Rajagopalachari. So with this we end up with our 120 questions. And if you guys feel is helpful to you, you can just like the video and share with others also, and subscribe the channel. That's all for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.